In Utah, we actually go every year to the RMAC. It's called the Rocky Mountain Air Gun Challenge. And it's basically a gathering of the world's best air gun competitors around the world. It's almost like a World Cup, but it's not called a World Cup. All your best shooters in the air rifle divisions getting together. And then we all compete basically in three or four divisions. One of the divisions that we compete in is obviously bench rest, or shall we call it like 91 meters. We've got the Precision Marksman Challenge, where it's like a PRS, NRL setup where you do like precision shooting from different barricades and positions and so on. Then we have the Magnum class. We have the big caliber air guns where we shoot anything from a 25 caliber all the way up to a 50 caliber. And this event is pretty much long range shooting. So we're engaging targets from anything from 100 yards all the way up to about 450 yards. And then we have basically a speed challenge, and this is where the guys with the fastest trigger fingers get together, and we basically run each other like with race guns. We've got one man versus man, and we actually shoot it out to see who's the fastest gunner in the world.